everybody, my name is Felix and today we're making lasagna!
We a skank in the rave, run with coke, no champs in the rave. Crowd go mad.
Alrighty, so first things first, we're gonna need 2 red bell peppers and 1 purple onion. We're then gonna grab a knife and dice them up. And your cuts should look a little something like this. After that, we're gonna add a half a stick of butter inside a pot and set it to a medium heat. We're then gonna add our onions and bell peppers, 1 pound of ground beef, and a little sprinkle of that good old salt, and smash that sucker up. We are then going to sprinkle some black pepper and some Italian seasoning over that ground beef, and also add about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. We're then going to give it a little stir and simmer it for about 10 minutes. Also, this is the time to give it a little taste test, just so you know there's enough salt and pepper inside the beef. After that's done cooking, we're going to add in 2 big old cans of tomato sauce right inside that mixture. We're then going to add in 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and a sprinkle of pepper. And we're then going to mix it up and simmer it for about 10 minutes. Now it's time to get cheesy. So the first thing we're going to need is a 15-ounce container of ricotta cheese. We're then going to add a cup of Parmesan, 2 huevos, 1 cup of mozzarella or Italian cheese, whatever floats your boat, and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. After you add that, we're going to give it a little mixy and it should look a little something like this.
2 seconds later.
Garfield! Garfield!
Huh?
It's about to be lasagna time! Alrighty, so let's start forming that lasagna. So the first thing we're going to need is 1 9 by 13 inch pan and some quick and easy oven baked lasagna. These noodles are so much better than that boiled brand.
That's why you ain't got no nipples.
So please do yourself a favor and buy it. It's so worth it. So worth it. So worth it. Alright, so the first step we're going to do is get some of that cheese mixture and spread it across our lasagna noodle. Just like that. We're then going to repeat this process 4 times for that first layer of lasagna. After you're done making your noodles all cheesy, we're going to add a light coat of that good old lasagna sauce right over those bad babies. Also, while doing so, we're going to make sure all those edges and corners are all covered up with that tomato sauce, just so it cooks thoroughly. We're then going to add 3 whole cups of Italian cheese or mozzarella cheese right on top of that layer of lasagna. Ooh. It should look like this. We're then going to grab a spatula and flatten out that cheese so we can get ready for the next layer. So for this second layer, all we're going to do is do the same thing as the first layer and spread some cheese right across those noodles. We're then going to put half the sauce from the pot right on top of those noodles and cover that baby up. After that, we're going to put 3 cups of cheese right on top and repeat the same process as the second layer to the third layer as well. Also, for the last layer, what I like to do personally is put 4 cups of cheese instead of 3 right on top of that bad boy. But why, Felix? Why would you do such a thing? Because it's called love. Aww. Thank you. No, honestly, thank you. Lastly, we're going to wrap it in foil and bake it for this many minutes.